Hey everyone, today the automation is for social media posting that will be powered with AI agent. So let's say you are a digital agency and you have some specific keywords for posting and searching your like branding yourself. We can put that keyword in Google Alerts. So you just have to open the Google Alert bar and write some digital marketing here or anything like that. And we are using the RSS feed here. After that, we will get the RSS feed link from here. And what we have to do, we have this template set up here in N8N. You can create this very easily. Like you just have to schedule a trigger once a week or every day, and then you can use an RSS read step where you just have to put the URL, and I can just test it like if there are results or not. So yeah, we have results here, but yeah, this is a different keyword for now. We can use our link here, so like that. But yeah, so it will be working like that, and we will have 10 items like in the Google Alert we were saying. And I'm using here code through JavaScript. I get this code from ChatGPT, so it is simply getting the RSS item one by one and giving it to the AI agent. We are using Gemini model here. So in the AI agent I have simple prompt like you are a trend analyst for AI and automation. A one-page summary I need. We can say like 2 to 3 lines summary. 2 to 3 lines summary. Let's ignore bullet points and let's ignore this link. So yeah, and we just need to put the previous input here that is coming from the JavaScript, and the results will be going into the Google Doc here. We can add like let's say a Facebook post module, or let's say Instagram, LinkedIn, let's say LinkedIn. So create a post. So the top trend, it will be fetching the top trend through Google Alert, and it will be passing that through as RSS read, and we are giving it to AI agent. We can say the agent like, and give me a post for Facebook based on the trend coming from the RSS read, and it will be posting it on your social medias that you will connect here. Other than this, we can do this in this way, like we can get 10 items. We can run this on after 10 days or on every week, and we will be posting we can post this in Google Sheet rows. So let's say there are 10 rows added, or we can add a limit here like 7 rows added, and there will be another automation. So from here we can use the Google Sheet, watch new row, on row added. Yeah, so like if there will be a new row added here, we can add the credentials later, but yeah, whenever the new row will be added, it can start posting on your social medias. We can connect your social medias here. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. If you need any help regarding this, please contact me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail. Thanks for watching.